We have the greatest bed frame in the world by Jossisland. This thing is amazing. I love the way it looks. Wood. It's also very sturdy. For reference, I'm about 5'11", so that's the height it is on me. But very sturdy, very easy to put together. I just love the look. If you just look at the headboard, the wood on the headboard right here, it just has a really nice look to it that I really love. Another thing I really love, come back here. You got these cabinets, the storage area. You got an open storage space right here. But then when you open these cabinets, all you do to open them is pull that open. Got your storage space in there. So you got 2 closed storage spaces on the sides and then 1 open space in the middle. Same thing over here. Also, another thing I want to say, very easy to put together. The instructions are very straightforward, very easy. These just Velcro right in. This thing's amazing. And just to show you the sturdiness, boom. Best bed frame, look, feel, sturdiness, highly recommend.